planting something I haven't planted before. This is kohlrabi, right? It looks great. Big leaves. And there are more tomatoes. Beautiful plants. Nice fat stems. Up here I have my garlic. Just planted about 2 weeks ago, yeah. It's looking okay. Gotta give it a root drench. When I do that, then they'll start getting larger. Right, but they look great now. And I want to show you about I had some beans here. These beans here were planted a week later than these. Look at the difference in growth. On these here, I use my special formula, my Supreme Plus, what I always use on all my plants. And this one, I did not. I don't know if you can see the bugs getting in my face. I don't know if you can see the tiny bugs on it. Maybe you can see them. See there? Little black spots. Those little insects that are coming on there now. And that's because of the fact that it doesn't have these plants here doesn't have the energy and the protection from the nutrients that I give all of my plants, right? So I'm going to start pepping these up, and then I'll get back with you guys in about, I should say a couple of weeks to let you know what's going on. Down here I got some more potatoes. Potatoes, they look great. Getting big. That's my ginkgo biloba, something for the brain, for the head. And these are more potatoes. Look great. Beautiful plants. And I just planted my spinach about 3-4 days ago. No, I'm sorry, these are beets. And they haven't really taken root good yet, but like I guess in about a week or so they'll be okay. I plant everything from seed basically, except kohlrabi. I did do that. It's my vine, and these are my blueberries, same ones I had last year, and they are getting large. They're looking good. Got lots of them. And up here I have my cilantro. Right? Remember last year I got seeds, and these are the plants from those seeds. They look great. I love this seasoning here. It's great. Tastes wonderful. A lot of Asians use this in their cuisine. So I just started my basilicum down here. It's just getting started, but it'll grow to be really nice. And here I have my parsley. This parsley is starting to seed now, so I'm gonna have to take it up and plant some new seeds, because you can see it's starting to stretch the top there. It's gonna need to seed. That's not good. So I'm gonna chop it and dry them. So okay, we're gonna see you guys a little bit later. Hope you have fun. Hope you all have a nice day. Thank you. That's right. There's some big tomatoes there. They really looking good. Yes, harvest time. I got my little paprika. There's some paprika over there. More paprika. And here, got some eggplants. Those are eggplants. Oops. Got out of focus there for a minute. Eggplants. Some more tomatoes here. Slow down there. Nice harvest.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, we're concerned with growing plants from your balcony chemically free and getting the best results that you can. Our products will help you achieve this goal. And as you can see, our plants thrive on Shivas Grow nutrients. So why not join our master class to get the rest of the story on caring for plants organically and see how we do it here at Shivas. So stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and get access to our merch, discounts on our products, books, tools, and much, much more. Thank you.